Good evening, my name is Felix Anderson and I work for India Times. And you people are looking good. I'm so happy to have all you people here. So you people have been very famous in the year 1994, 1995, but now you are no longer famous. But don't judge with the body language that I have. I might be looking a little bit erratic on my face, but I have huge respect for you people. I would like to start asking a question to Miss Kalvita here. You are a wonderful lady cricketer back in 1994. I was 3 years or 4 years old by then, and you are really wonderful. And what made you disappear? You are scoring so well, and you are in fact representing. You gave a very big press conference speech that you will be representing your team to the World Cup, but you ran away. Why?
So first, good evening, sir, and thanks for asking me the question. It was because of the financial instability I had in my personal space, and also that there was no proper opportunity, and the good talent was not taken into the consideration, and that's why I'm no longer part of cricket for 20 years. But I have not stopped practicing cricket, and I'm still practicing cricket and waiting for a good opportunity.
Wow. Okay. Sounds impressive. Two teams. You people are going to face Russia. Yes, it's a good news that you have come back from the timeline, but facing Russia is going to be a toughest proposition, and I don't think you people are really fit enough. Do you really think you've got the same physical agility that you had in 1994? Yes, you are with the same kind of body. Some scientist has really helped you to get the same kind of body, but your mind is very, very slow. It is like a Ferrari engine into an ambassador car. So how are you going to be playing?
So we play like we build a team strategy in before playing, and we tell about how we to play against the opposition, and based upon the team strategies like 4-1-1. We need to build a different strong so that the goals will not come to the opposite team, and we should have a motivation so that we will score goals for our team.
Okay, Mr. Balaji, why did you first of all go off? No, the other team that said no because of financial condition. But why you were a captain for your cricket team? Why did you go off? Why did you first of all disappear from this entire sporting industry?
So, sir, so I had to disappear because of this, lots of complaints from the media in the oldest time, sir. There were lots of complaints about me about the bad behavior towards this cricket due to some one match played in the oldest series, like when we are playing against like say England, we played like the tough task, but the fans were not, media was not happy about, and they were having angry answers, so that caused me to go.
Mr. Amitesh Janagaran, you were really good in soccer. You were a very good example for the budding hockey players back in the 90s. And there was one particular match which was happening in Chennai. You were supposed to be the captain for that match. You were a captain, and in the second half, you got disappeared, attributing to your knee injury. And then onwards in 1995, towards the end of 1995, we saw you. And from 96 onwards, you were not even appearing in any of the hockey matches, and you didn't even give any sort of information to the budding players who are seeing you as an inspiration. It was like Sachin Tendulkar, just like that he disappeared. It was like Virat Kohli, just like that he disappeared. You disappeared. But now, with what confidence you are thinking that you are going to beat Russia? What's your strategy?
Good morning, and thanks for the question. What you're saying is totally right. You know, before the match at Chennai, what happened was I was training with my teammates, and suddenly I tore my hamstring on my right thigh, and from then onwards I had to go to the hospital, and then I had to go undergo some surgeries and everything. So I was quite disappointed in not play the match over there, and I had some other family matters and family issues, had some dents in my family side, and I felt that I should take a break. And although I had to play the Chennai match, I couldn't do it, and I still felt that there was some racial discrimination in the field of all sports, but especially in soccer, where they discriminated people based on their caste or color and religion and all that. So I felt that this wasn't right and was not supposed to be done. I myself, I needed some support from my side to go against this activities from the of the world, but I still couldn't do it. So I felt that I should just take a break from the sport and come back some other time. So
So what is going to be the strategy now for winning Russia? The Russian people are appearing like monsters in front of you people who are just half-old people. No offenses to you, but half-old people. So what's your strategy going to be along with your team members?
So although they're such a good team, doesn't mean that we can't win. We still believe in ourselves and hopefully we can still win it. Of course, it's not like the opposition Russian team. They're really strong, but they still have some weaker sides. As soon as the match starts, we can find out their weak spots and their weak areas, and hopefully we can attack them more over there.
Good. I got that. So, Mr. Aditya, so you have been a real good player, and so many people see you are scratching your legs, so you have become so much of an old man right now. And do you really think with this kind of physical ailments and all that, having allergies, skin problem, and ever since you landed in the airport, you started getting skin boils on your face and all that. Do you really think you'll be able to win Russia this time?
Looks doesn't matter if you have dust allergy and all those stuff. But then, when after 1995 or 1995, I remember, I lost the passion of playing my game. And then I just left it because I didn't like it, and then I just want to spend time with other people. And then slowly at 2018 or 19, I'm not sure, I got the, I was thinking about the memories where I played so good, did well, and then in the last season I was banned from the so then after 2019 I started practicing in 2020 in order to get the form back,
Right. Wonderful answer, Aditya. Good job. Very nice. Yeah, Sibi Aditya. How are you going to win Russia? And playing after 25 years or 30 years, will it be possible for you? Because you are a very fearful player. You are one among the players. Besides being very fat and stout, you used to run very, very fast, and you used to be like a bullet train. But do you think you will have the same speed right now? And how are you going to win Russia?
Come on, Sibi, come on.
You yourself will boost yourself and run fast. Okay, right. That's good. That's good. Okay. Well, the first game that you're going to play is soccer, and people are making things ready at the ground. And tomorrow morning by 9 o'clock you are going to play. But what if you have too much of the boost and Horlicks that you mentioned tonight, and you will not be able to wake up tomorrow morning? What are you going to do? Because you are actually an avid eater, and you are on an eating spree. And we got a news that even in the airport you had been spending a lot of time eating a lot of vegetables, a lot of non-vegetarian food. So, good. Miss Mridhubash, so you are really good in hockey. So just like I was asking to Mr. Amitesh Mohan, you are really good in hockey. But there was one point you mentioned to your coach that I am never coming back. In 1995, one particular Sports Star magazine carried this statement. This is the end, I am never coming back, and period. This is what the statement. But you have come back. So you are not even keeping your words. You have come back now. So then why did you go for an emotional decision that time, and now you are making a comeback? What's the reason?
So at that time I was very angry about the matter that happened in the past. So at that time I take that decision. It's not a good decision at all. After hearing from my friends and all, they motivated me to come back. So they said it is very good for you and you are very good player in the hockey and all. So they motivated me to come here. So after that I got some changes in this decision and I changed my mind to come back here.
Beautiful. Nice answer. Chandan Akaria or Agaria? Agaria. So Mr. Chandan Agaria, you are a very good fast bowler in the past, in 1995. Those days, 1995, Javagal Srinath, Venkatesh Prasad, all those people were considering you as role models. But now you have not been playing for about 25 years. Yes, you have got a serum or something, and just like Captain America got his bill, you have got your bill. But do you think you will have the same kind of strength in the rotator cuff for going for a fast bowling tomorrow against another team? How are you going to win? What are you going to do? The same question, relatively the same question that I asked your friends. What are you going to do?
Sir, I should first train myself, sir, to win the opposite team, sir. Then I should practice. I should practice.
Come on, Chandan, come on.
I can practice two teams. Two teams is
To win the tournament?
yes, sir.
To win the tournament.
Super, Chandan, very well done.
Very nice. One last question, and rest of the press conference will be after the match. Post-match, this is pre-match press conference. Post-match press conference. People who have not been questioned, like Mitra, Ritika, Anas, Hafid, and Hafiz, will be asked the question. Okay? Now, before the time elapses, we will finish the game. Okay? Soccer game. Now, all of you have the task. Okay, so both the teams will set up a goal post. Anas knows, but today myself, Amritesh and Aditya are playing with a relatively smaller goal post.
PVC.
Yeah.
So we have to do like that, sir?
No. So you build a big one.
Okay.
As usual. Get a help. I will be giving only about 5 minutes for the goal post.
That will be enough.
If within 5 minutes, if you are able to set the goal post without any ruckus, both the teams will get about 200 points.
Okay, how was that?
200 points. 3 to 1. Careful, power cable.